MeghalayaPost.news.
Ubak S.Sohtun Menteri ke Sorkar Jela lalit banisyu mentahan ke program jong kajengi kenduk lang baar sengi pedeng Shipai bala shongthait mat ke balalong henen ke sengi hatura. Ya kate ke program kajengi kenduk lang pedeng Shipai bala shongthait kadai ke bala penlong da ke HQ 101 area Assam Regiment Center mat ke Directorate of Sainik Welfare harkat ke jingtreilang ke kenhun ke Shipai bala shongthait ex-servicemen EMS Association na tikri kila garu badha tura bad ampati. Hakate ke sengi bersedang kate ke jingin kenduk lang pedeng Shipai bala shongthait nalor ke jingdon ba S.Sohtun ku Menteri ke Sorkar Jela lasakhiru da ke jingdon Lieutenant General Mohit Wadha GOC 101 area kum sembut kongsan usipi marang chairperson ke Meghalaya Lokayuta Colonel Daryl Hopkins Director ke Sainik Welfare Meghalaya ki Shibun ngut ki Shipai bala shongthait lambat kiwei kajing temu jong kate ke jingin kenduk lang bar sengi pedeng Shipai bala shongthait kalong bandon ke jingirap ke bamar keliang pedeng ki para Shipai bala shongthait kata kalong ya ki bahyeng hasam bat khamtam na kabenta jong tu ki Shipai bala shongthait bat ki bala no karta haba ajing kran na kate sengi ba S.Sohtun la ajing ro ya kite ki Shipai bala shongthait halor ka jing shakri bakila aim berkata kalong ban yadai la ka jongkari ubala ongru babaro ki Shipai bala shongthait ki dei ban yo ya kata ka burom namar ka kam ka bakila le banlen la de na kabenta kari hagwai pat kaliang la ajing ro ya kata Sainik Welfare bar jila Sainik Welfare namar ka jingla jongki ban yarap kerpang na kabenta ki bahyeng jong kitu ki Shipai bala shongthait bat khamtam na kabenta jong kitu ki Shipai bala shongthait bat ki bala no karta namar kata na yang Sorkar Jela kan sai trelang bat ketena Sainik Welfare bar ban ai ru ke jingkershan ke bapurai ya kinu ki kam ke bakile bat khamtam nak benta ban ai ke jingerap ke bakerpang ya gitu ki Shipai bala shongthait.
Department of Sainik Welfare, they have dedicated to the brave men and women who have worn the uniform of our great nation. Today, it's not just merely an event, but it is the reminders of our collective responsibility to honor, support, and uplift those who have given so much service for our country. The countless challenges that you have come across during your services, this reminds us of your commitments in defending of our country and the lives of citizens of our nation. I take this privilege to salute and honor each one of you for your great contribution to the nation. To our esteemed veterans, your service and sacrifice have safeguarded peace, security, and dignity of a nation. You have endured the hardships, faced challenges with full courage, and carried the weight of duty with unwavering commitment. No words can ever fully capture in depth of our gratitude. You are the living embodiment of resilience, patriotism, and selfless dedication. As a nation, we stand indebted to you all. We also remember and salute and thank all the family members of the veteran ex-service men and women. Just now we have given the cash award arranged by the Department of Sainik Welfare and the Sila Sainik Welfare officers. In the award itself, we could realize how difficulties and the challenges that the family members have faced. Whatever the services of the ex-servicemen, it is also with the support of all the family members who have full trust on their family members who are giving their life or the services to the nation. This program reflects our ministry continued effort to ensure that every veteran receives the support, care, and recognition they deserve. From welfare assistance and health support to the rehabilitation initiatives and benefits assessed.
MeghalayaPost.news.